Dr. Mansukh Manvia has been appointed the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs under the new cabinet of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, replacing Anurag Thakur from the portfolio. Manvia most notably served as the Union Health Minister during the COVID-19 pandemic. He replaced Dr. Harshvardhan in the portfolio at the height of the crisis in July 2021. Manvia was also given charge of the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers additionally. He has previously held Minister of State portfolios for road transport and highways, shipping and chemical fertilizers, and ports, shipping and waterways in the past. Manvia made a very early foray into politics when he joined the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, or the ABVP, and he subsequently went on to hold significant positions within the Bharatiya Janata Party. Manvia did his postgraduate from the Bhavnagar University in Political Science. He was conferred a PhD in the same discipline by Gujarat Institute of Development Research. He has also done a certificate course on veterinary science and livestock. In the Lok Sabha polls this year, Manvia contested from the Porbandar seat in Gujarat and won by over 3.83 lakh votes, his first triumph in a general poll. Manvia has previously enjoyed 2 terms in the Rajya Sabha, elected in 2012 and then re-elected in 2018. In other news, Raksha Nikhil Khadse was appointed the Minister of State of Sports. Khadse retained her Lok Sabha seat for the second consecutive time, winning with a margin of over 2 lakh votes from the Raver constituency in Maharashtra. She started her political journey as a Sarpanch and went on to become a member of the Jalgaon Zilla Parishad in Maharashtra. At just 26, she was elected as the MP of Raver in 2014, a seat she would go on to win 3 times on the trot. Originally from Khetia, Madhya Pradesh, Raksha is the daughter-in-law of Eknath Khadse, an NCP leader of the Sharad Pawar faction who had decided to switch back to the BJP. Her husband Nikhil Khadse died in 2013, allegedly by suicide. A single mother of 2, Raksha was a social media darling lauded for balancing motherhood with politics throughout her successful campaigns since.